people in the house. Remy! Remy! Hey, girl. Remy. Isn't she beautiful?
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy, and we be
Doing, Remy? How you doing? Hey, baby. Hey.
Stop. Stop.
Who we have in the kitchen here, sir? What's your name, son?
Daddy.
Dallas? Yes, sir. My grandbaby, guys. Look at her. Look how tall he is. My goodness, how long them legs is. How long them feet is, boy. Yes, sir. He brushed his teeth already. So we're going to do some breakfast for Dallas. And my other big baby over there. Chiblee. Like, you watch your face this morning. Did you do that? All right. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to take that water right there and you're going to pour it in there, okay? That's a cup of water. All right. You're going to take that and you're going to stir it up with this. Take your spoon. Stir. There we go. Stir, 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 stir. While he's stirring, guys, we got butter over here. We're doing pancakes. Pancakes and our sausage. Yes, sir. Turn it down a bit. All right, so you gotta stir it good as that, man. Come on, man, you got this. There you go. You wanna hold the bowl and stir it? There you go. Stir it nice. You might put some more water in it. But you go ahead and a bit more. There you go. They're real good. There you go. Just keep stirring until it comes all smooth, okay? And all that stuff turns to be smooth as well, so just get everything. Add a little bit more. Boop. Now what I also add to my pancakes, this is just a regular pancake mix. Aunt Jemima, but they're not Aunt Jemima no more. Add some cinnamon sugar to it. Yeah. Just want to give it another kick. So with this, if you add that to it, you don't need as much syrup.
It smells good.
It smells good, doesn't it? All right, go ahead and get that thing stirred on up, puppy. A little bit more water. There we go. You can do it, buddy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You got a long way to go. You got a long way to go, but you got this. Put that like strap. So, all right, Dallas, can you put it in there? You pour it in there. There you go. There we go. There we go. Maybe a little bit more. Cause this is from the dollar store, and it's not as abstract as it needs to be. You pour this up. All right, continue to stir. There you go. Keep stirring. You're almost there. You're almost there. There you go. Put them big old muscles to work. Get old man a break. Yes, sir. Yes, I know, right? Look at Remy. Remy, what are you looking for, Papa? What are you looking for, baby? What are you looking for? Huh? Anything drop on the floor? Yes, sir. You got this. Look, guys, he's almost there. So make sure you go on the sides and everywhere, okay? There you go, buddy. You say you can crack eggs, right? Okay. Let me see. I'm not gonna tell you how to do anything, but let me see what you can do. Let me move this sausage out the way. Okay. All right. All right. Oh, look at that. Oh, and you know how to get that up. Yep, there you go. There you go. And you can put that in the trash over there. Also, guys, look at his first egg. So it's 6 of us. It's 2 of us, right? And we normally you'll do a 2 serving per person. Your daddy you like eggs, daddy? So you give your daddy 3 eggs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna crack 7 eggs. 7. Okay, we're gonna do 7 eggs. So I will see you do that, okay? You did it. You got 7 eggs. You guys give him a shout out in the comment section. Let him know how well he did. Proud of him. So now let's get a fork. Oh, you go ahead and wash your hands. We're gonna get a fork. Beat these eggs up. Beat them up, beat them up, beat them up, beat them up, beat them up. We're going to beating motion. Let me show you. Turn it flat like that and just.
Oh, that's how my mama do it.
Yes, sir. Just like your mama do it. There you go. So you're gonna do it till it all turns yellow.
Until it all turns yellow?
Mm-hmm. And if the more you beat them, the more fluffier they get, believe it or not. But let me add one more thing to them too. While you keep doing that. See? You gotta get that butter going for the eggs.
Yeah.
You see that? There you go. So the eggs are gonna go in here, right? Okay. And then the pancakes in here. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get these pancakes ready. You feel me? That's 1. 2. 3. And we'll start with those 3.
Alright,
You got it?
okay, mix
Right,
it.
so turn it. If it's up too high, you turn it down a little bit. You know? You gotta wait till the bubbles come in the middle and then you can flip it. It's cooking pretty good though.
Let's check on this.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Your things are in the way. Your little thing right there. That little thing. There you go. There you go. There you go.
So,
All right, let me go ahead and flip these circles right here. They're almost ready. They're almost ready.
no, they are.
Almost ready. Make sure you keep an eye on that, okay? All right, here we go. The bubbles start to come through. It ain't quite ready yet, so I'll give it a second. I'll give it a second. The sausage is ready.
There's
That's
sausages.
the thing. Second. Bam.
Alright. That's all.
Bam. Bam. All right.
We gotta wait until
Gotta wait till you finish. So get a plate.
my finger. No. I think got in the way.
Just pass your camera skills, son.
Good.
Okay, good. All right. Those are just about ready. So I'm gonna cook 3 more, and then we're gonna hook up the eggs.
That's
the sausage
it.
is ready.
Yeah, the sausages are ready, so.
Look how they standing up. You did that. You made those.
I know.
You see it?
Yeah.
You did that.
See that?
You see it?
Look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
For sure.
It's beautiful.
I talked to a
It's
2 days ago.
beautiful.
What's the last one of my birthday?
It's beautiful.
I come holler at her. What's up, Karen?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful. Oh, you're the best grandson in the world. You did these, man. You mixed them all up. They're fluffy, real fluffy. So I just wanted to turn them to make sure all the batter's cooked. I know that one is. This one should be good. That one should be good.
It's so pretty.
All right, so that one should be good. This one has to be a little bit more love. See it? A little better. Oh, it's just about there. Just about there. A little bit more. All right. So now you add a little bit more butter.
And then I'm gonna do it this time. I think.
Ooh, that's meat, baby. A little bit more butter. I'm gonna add.
Really?
Oh, you gotta keep an eye on the camera, sir.
Yeah, it's a white finger.
There we go. All right, so I know this is good. Careful.
It's really white.
Here. That thing keep going.
He's cooking right now. The food over here is that's the eggs. And the sausages are ready. This is not really ready.
It's gonna be mad fluffy.
Yeah.
It's gonna be mad fluffy.
Yeah, we saying yes. It's gonna be mad fluffy.
Those are good too. We're gonna let those cook.
Oh, alright. Alright, let's check on this. Oh, it's so bright. Oh my god.
Sorry, the guys with the camera. It's gonna be all over the place.
Sorry.
But each one teach one. I read if I've been learning this, then be in the streets learning some other stuff you need to be learning. So we're gonna let these go until the bubbles start coming out. I turn it on medium heat so it can, not cook too fast. But the fun part will be is when we do the eggs. Yes. Eggs, baby.
The eggs go right here.
Yes, sir. Mad hot. Away.
Yeah, the eggs go right there.
Okay. Let me turn these guys over. Just one. Look at it.
That's crispy.
Perfect. They go a little bit longer.
And flip.
This will be hard to get to.
I could do that one. Here, to the camera.
I can get to it. Be patient. Bam! Got it. So you let that go. Turn the heat down a little bit.
Oh, shoot your phone.
You gotta keep an eye on the food, man. What you doing? Alright, now come over here. Now it's time for the eggs.
Okay. What am I gonna put
Alright, guys, you got kids in the kitchen, so you gotta turn all the handles back.
You got some on the stove.
And I spilled some, so I get something to keep too.
Can you hold this so I can stir it?
So with the eggs, it's quick. You gotta go fast with the eggs.
Oh.
That's why I went ahead and hooked the pancakes up first. I turned them off over there.
So you turn the pancakes off?
The pancakes are turned off. Thank you, Jeffrey.
Are you controlling me?
You're gonna be a good camper. You gotta watch what I'm doing over here, Poppy. See the eggs? Just take your time with the eggs. I got them on a slight above medium heat. You guys seen these eggs before. The white is butter. Butter makes it more smoother. We're gonna add some Monterey Jack to it as well. We're watching my deer in the background. Here we go. Let's keep it moving. Keep it moving. Of course, with these many eggs, you want a bigger skillet, but one I wanted to have is already filled with stuff. But it is what it is. Wow. Keep going. It's almost there. Yeah, with the smaller skillet, the amount of eggs I put in here.
It's been 8 hours.
It's been 8 hours. All right, so it's getting to a head now. Look at that. So this is basically medium scramble. I don't like the hard scramble. Mommy used to hard scramble them back in the day, kinda.
Yes, kind of.
Kinda. Take them off just a little bit. until I get myself prepared for the cheese. I bring it back on. I'm gonna add my cheese. The Monterey Jack cheese too. Okay. And you don't add the cheese until it's almost done. Because if you add the cheese prior, it'll take forever for it to cook. It's weird. Right now I can turn my heat off, and now we just making sure the cheese is melted. I didn't add any salt or pepper to these eggs at all, period. Because the eggs have a lot of salt content already, and they have their own flavor.
Yeah.
Now after the fact, you know, your guests or whoever's eating your food can add their own salt and pepper. All right. So technically the eggs are done. Okay. Don't go too crazy with them. That's a medium. That's called a medium scramble.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want, you can add cheese on them. Got these young men here, so I'm gonna add a little cheese for them.
And then you're gonna stir it again.
And that's it.
Huh? Alright,
You need a
Carol.
battery.
We finna eat.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna see our food? Alright.
Battery. I gotta take him to get a battery. I was
Okay.
taking him to get a battery before I went to California, but they were so busy they wouldn't let me in.
See?
I'm showing the plates. In the plates that you helped make. Yeah, in the plates. That's granddad's plate. That's your big old plate, big old boy. And that's dad's plate. Look at that. You got a bigger plate than we all of us.
Me?
Mm-hmm. You eat all that. This little bit guy is doing it. So, breakfast, my son, grandbaby, you know, something to let them know if they're at home or just mine right there. Okay. I'm good. I don't use salt on mine. He's helping him. He eating cherries with a kick. Yes, thank you. A little pepper. There you go. There you go. A little pepper. We about to throw down. Yes, sir. Got my son here. Big boy, grandbaby here, and also little Remy. So just want to show you guys cooking with the grandboy. Yeah, sure. And I pray you guys are doing well. We're gonna go ahead and enjoy breakfast. Of course, next video, more videos coming. Of course. Pray you guys are doing well. You guys continue to keep family first, keep God first, family along the same lines, you know what I'm saying? But it's all the same. It's all about relationships and keep relationships going. And I pray you guys are doing well, and I will see you guys next video.